Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to hide your cursor or even unhide your cursor if it's already hidden in OBS. So as you can see on screen, my cursor is currently visible and I'm going to go ahead and hide it. So to hide your cursor, what you need to do is go over to your source, and I am currently using the full window source. It's the window that is displaying right now. That's what you see on screen. So go to the source that is currently being displayed, right click it, go to properties. And then as you can see here, there is a checkbox to capture the cursor. If I uncheck this checkbox, my cursor will no longer appear. I don't even need to press OK. It's just going to automatically disappear. But I am going to press OK, and you can't see that because you can't see my cursor. You still can't see my cursor. However, if I turn on my Excel source, which is on, as you can see, and I turn off my full window source, which is the main source that covers the Excel source, if I turn the full window source off, you will actually be able to see my cursor again. This is because you have to go to the properties on every source that you want to display or hide your cursor on. So Excel source, I don't actually have it turned off. So if I want to also hide it on my Excel source, I have to go manually into this source again as well and press OK. So every single source you want to hide your cursor in, you have to go in and check it. It's not one and done settings. It is a source by source. And that is how you hide or unhide your cursor depending on what you're doing in OBS. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.